I don't know what's a good intro, but hey guys, I'm Jen and I am here to talk a few things about this Air Jordan Low that I got from Goat. My first Air Jordan 1 Low. Okay. So it's Air Jordan 1 Low Black Beach Black Bleached Coral Gray Fog. Okay, so I'm size 7.5 in men's. I'm a size 9 in women's. So there it is. I'm so excited to show you guys. Don't mind my clothes in the back. Okay. Ta-da! See, oh my god, look at that peach swoosh. I mean, I want to say it's pink, light pink, but let's just stick to peach. But still, see? Sorry, okay. So this is the shoe. Okay, the Air Jordan stitch. I thought that's something. Okay. And I also love the black sole, the peach Jumpman stitch or the logo, the pink insole padding, so cute, and overall it's a like 10 for me because I like how this is white, this is gray, this is black, and then the pink, the peach swoosh, and the stitches over here. It looks so great, like I swear. If you guys, like ladies out there, are wondering what size, do 1.5 less. They said 2 down or 1.5 down. I chose the 1.5 down and it fits perfectly, like perfect. So just a quick reference if ever you want to have a Jordan, cause I noticed like mostly all of the good colorways, like beautiful colorways, comes in just men's sizes. But anyway, not gonna argue with that. Just do 1.5 size down.